Good afternoon and welcome to a very cold Poland. I'm in Gdansk in Poland and I've decided to book one night stay in this hotel behind me. It's the 4-star Hotel Admiral. It's only a small hotel. It looks quite big, but it is only really a small hotel. So let's get checked in and see what this 4-star hotel has to offer. So all checked in, it's room 304 on the 3rd floor. It's a glass lift.
Piętro trzecie.
So room 304, straight across. Check-in was really simple. Passport, email address and a signature, and that was it. So let me show you the room. So straight behind the door is your luggage rack. Hangers, a large mirror and a floor-to-ceiling very large wardrobe. Don't know if you'll be able to see in there, it's quite dark. So there are coat hangers, a safe, shoe shine. I haven't seen one of them for years. A large double bed, very large desk, medium-sized TV. Usually there's a fridge, and there is. Doesn't have a mini bar. Selection of teas and coffees, water. Got told off in the message that I didn't check a kettle in one of the videos, so apologies for that. Tiny kettle, but that looks clean. So there you go, I've checked the kettle. Fan, a lot of lights in this room. 2 bucket chairs. Don't know what the view is like. Let's have a little look at the view. Oh, it's out over the car park, which is the front of the hotel. So that's the view. Bedside table and lamp. I like that little feature. Glass panel. The bed. Again, let's check the beds. They're very soft pillows. I'm not a soft pillow lover. And as you can see, the creases are in the bed again. Let's see if there's a mattress protector. Yes, there is one. Not fitted sheets, they're just actual sheets, they're not fitted. They do look clean, everything looks very clean. A little rip there in the quilt cover, but it looks clean. Towels. Right, yes, the towels are fine. So let me try and get an angle of the room for you to see properly. So that's the 4-star room. And one more room to show you is the ensuite. It's very warm in this room, which I like because it's cold out there. So, the ensuite. You can feel the heat coming out of that bathroom. Heated towel rail. Very hot towel rail. Corner unit sink with mirror. A little hairdryer. And some gentle soap, which is citrus and fruit. Or citrus fruit. Toilet. Let's check the toilet. Yeah. And of course, the shower unit, which has, what's that saying there? Shower and hair gel. Again, citrus fruit. I'll try and show you the shower cubicle from a distance. And it does look very clean. It's a bigger light. So, trying to get the whole thing in one shot. So let's have a look round the rest of the hotel. Good morning. It's time for breakfast. I'm not sure what breakfast it is. It's a 4-star hotel. I would imagine it's Polish stroke European. I can't see it being English breakfast. They're probably hot dog sausages as usual, scrambled egg, and can't even see there being beans or anything like that. I might be surprised. Let's go down for breakfast. So, back from breakfast, and I was right. European continental breakfast. There was a bit of a choice. Most of it was cold, like a cold buffet layout. There was a think there was like 3 sections that had mostly Polish dishes and hot dogs and scrambled egg in the other one. Other than that, it was more cold buffet style. There's enough there for you for breakfast included in the price. Your teas, your coffees, cheeses, breads, fruits, cereals. So breakfast was okay. Now the hotel itself, 4-star Hotel Admiral here in Gdansk, Poland. What do I think of it? I've just had a little look out the window there. It is so cold outside. But inside this hotel, it's really warm. So that's one good thing about it. I've stayed in places where it's been as cold inside as outside. But this is really warm, especially the bathroom. The bed itself, really good night's sleep. I was a bit wary about them soft pillows, but I don't know if I'm just tired, but I conked out and I woke up when the alarm went off. The television, unfortunately, there's only one channel, one English channel, and that's BBC News. And that gets on your nerves after a while, repeating itself. The hotel's facilities itself, they said there is a sauna or a steam room. I haven't seen it. I think it might be lower ground, but I'm not sure if it's even open because I can't see anything advertising it. It does say the hotel is a spa. I think you might have to book the spa sessions. Other than that, it's a very small hotel. Even the bar area is in the corner of the reception, and it's set up like a Christmas theme. But there was only 2 sorts of tables that you could sit at, and that was it. They're pushing more of the Christmas theme at the moment, so it's like all hot toddies and mulled wine and stuff. All smells nice around the reception. Staff-wise, they seem very friendly. Now the price. Under occupancy, it says that this is classed as a single room. It's a very big single room with a double bed. But then it says in the wording of the email that I got, maximum 2 people. Now, I'm not 100% certain if the price I'm quoting you is for under occupancy or for 2 people. I wouldn't know unless I put 2 persons down. So you'll have to do that yourself if you come in here and find out the price. I'll tell you what I paid for myself, classed as a single room, 360 zlotys. When you say hundreds, it sounds really high. So 360 zlotys equals roughly £71. So under occupancy for this sort of room, including breakfast, £71. I'd check that price though, because it does say maximum 2 people. But I only put 1 person in, so the price may change if you change it to 2. I've got a feeling you could end up with a 2 for the same price. Check that one out. Anyhow, I'm going to have to leave shortly, and it looks like it's starting to snow. Yes, it's starting to snow again. I'm going to have to leave shortly because this is my last video from Poland for this year. So, got to get back on a plane, back to the UK. So anyhow, the question is, what do you think of the Hotel Admiral? Is this your sort of hotel? It's not that far from the main Christmas market square. It's about 10 minutes walk, maximum. It's only 2 streets, and you're in that main market square where the Christmas market was. That's the reason why I came to Gdansk, is for the Christmas market. And check out that video as well. The Christmas market here in Gdansk. Check that video out. So it's quite central. The question is this your sort of hotel? Would you stay here? It's quite a nice hotel. If I was coming back to Gdansk, I'd probably stay here again. It is quite central for what I was wanting, and I can't fault it. 4-star, the amenities are a bit low for a 4-star hotel. I would expect it to have a proper bar. Whether it's not open because it's out of season, I don't know, but I can't seem to see a bar other than that corner downstairs in the reception. hit the subscribe button and leave them comments down below. And I'll catch you in the next video. From me, Paul, here at the Hotel Admiral, nearly forgot it then, here in Gdansk, Poland. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.